thought I was streaming on YouTube, but I was not.
What's going on over here? You guys should find did I not export it? I thought it's not exported.
Okay, so the link now works.
Oh my god.
Okay, so the link now works.
Well, what are you talking about?
What?
I just heard you say the link now works.
The second time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just had my stream open.
Yeah, it's a lot harder than the first one, I think.
Yeah, probably. The first one the recent playthrough that I did was basically just screw around until I power leveled way too much.
I wonder if I should have. I wonder if I should have like these broken up as well.
How are you gonna do the thing like that?
I'm gonna have a fire pit in the middle. Spikes with it.
Is it gonna like show up, or is just gonna be there?
No, it'll always be there.
Would be a cool effect if you could have made it like show up.
Yeah, I mean, we could probably do something like that, but there really wouldn't be a reason to. I gotta plan this out with my head. You need to have your focus what you kill every map. Because you can't kill it by fighting. We were gonna do a health system, but I just will do more. In the stamina system instead. Alright, so we'll have to get there. We need hot zone. Let's put the fire here so I can
I wish I could actually stream.
Yeah.
I'm basically using the Hangout. Oh, I got killed. Yeah. I just got eaten. Yeah. I activated the bots and all of them just showed up. Try. Have you seen like how the Infinity Blade Fire is? Have you seen the Infinity Blade Fire? How it like They're not using like spheres like you, but like their effects kind of interesting because they're not using flat um, opaque, flat transparent.
Should it not use that?
Yeah, like I can show you the Infinity Blade fire if you open the YouTube stream. So, yeah.
On the YouTube screen, you said? Yeah, the link.
It's no, it's in the in Twitch.
I told you my Firefox graduate.
Oh, okay, gonna give it to you on Dolby.
Just say yeah. Puzzles and give you how much?
Okay, where the fuck was it? I'm gonna show you, and then I. Okay. This is ice, liquid, fire. This is the fire, yeah. So yeah, you see how it's a gradient more so the liquid.
Oh, they're using a flip book.
Yeah, they're using flipbook, but look at how the values are. They're not just like a specific color. They're not just white
Yeah,
or gray. Yeah.
So that you can have different shades. Yeah, I do something like that. But I think it looks more.
Well, I think you could technically use a warp effect. Just have a sphere like this. God damn it. I guess I can't move. Just the first one and just warp it.
Warp it.
Yeah, like you would need to do some warping of the UV.
Show me the fire. Yeah, we know it should. It's all red. I don't know, man. The fire looks okay. I kind of like the lobby effectively, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I need to.
This was more of a firewall than I changed it to be like this. So I could use it as in the game as a fire, like a moving napalm.
I think what else? I don't think that one I did. Well, I think I need to chip away at this. I think this is too clean. So let's.
I'm guessing you're the one that's watching it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well. Okay, next thing I need to do is the equipment giving stats. Nah, I'm gonna pass for now. Spell damage, weapon damage. Which for it I need to do equipment stats. Well, I'm guessing I'm doing the equipment stats. That was a quick quickly changed.
What?
Me going from I'm not gonna do the equipment and be like, okay, I need to do the equipment. Yeah, basically at the moment, yeah, you're not looking at my stream anymore. I forgot because
Yeah, no. You know what? I think I want to change the color of the scene to blue
hello.
at nighttime. That way, the focus is on the center. I think that's a big problem.
I think your screen froze for me. I'm gonna refresh.
Is it? Is it pretty for anybody else? No, it was like final one. Alright, let's see. Light.
Yeah, it works now. I don't know. Twitch fucks up sometimes. It's probably Flash. Wouldn't it be more blue, yellowish?
Which I
Well, I have to tell you that nights aren't blue technically.
Yeah, I know. I know, bro. I think. I wonder. I want to change to black. Black becomes good.
So,
Maybe like.
slots. So, arm, legs, shoulders.
I gotta go lighting. Let's bring in the blue first. Copy this. Item. Should. Actually, no, we don't want that. We don't want. Copy that. Rename. 4.
And not wait for App to tell me how many slots I should put.
CX. 4. Alright. Now.
One of the reasons I didn't want to do equipment.
QA.
I need to like know how many slots we're gonna use because at the moment I have like 3 for the basic armors that add me.
Damn it. For other door. Here, here's all. It's not still. I do not want one.
Hmm. I wasn't expecting for like my Hangout stream to actually be people to be actually able to read stuff in it. No, I'm looking at my own.
Oh, you mean the quality of it?
Yeah. At first I thought like the quality was completely shit because for some reason it was set to 360p.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it was basically shit.
I thought I read. Oh, let's see. What now? Like that. Oh, that's why. No, what the fuck? I don't know why that's doing that.
Developers song Happy Coding.
You know what? Floor, earphone, cool. Back in line.
Ah boy. Somebody posted in the Unreal Engine for developer community the developer song Happy Coding. Basically, a guy being like, development sucks. We're stuck in this overflowing. Wanna hear it? Aaron?
Does it? Yeah. Oh no, not now.
What?
Not now. I'll look for it.
Okay.
Trying to figure out.
Ah.
Yeah, just like right here. Yeah, just like right here. For the chicken channel first. Channel one. That's why it's program content.
I think next week I'm gonna try and like concentrate on C++ 11 and 14, like learning how the stuff in there.
Back to me. Let's make that one. The big, our thing. Before years old, non-skillful, all that got read. Once we're not out, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for that. How do you have to do it? We're gonna leave. Let's see if it's that it's still 7, I'm just gonna do that second light now. Yeah. Why are you saying that? Alright. Before yes, all you want to generate like that. Like here's you totally not have like yeah, I don't know why you read that, whatever. Let's see if it's actually a problem.
Oh boy. Well, I'm just gonna make a weapon slot.
Alright, I'll use the light now. You'll probably run into I mean, what I probably should do, actually, thinking about it now, I should have this piece right here come in separate. I'll just go with an outside screen. We're gonna do a night thing. I gotta clear all this lighting that's right here right now.
Ugh, what the? I think you fucked up your lighting.
Yeah, no, it's because it has no lighting with the new lighting basically. You know, watch it just look at stuff.
Okay. Because it looks like purple paint just came out of the ceiling.
I know.
Yeah. Like some kind of a purple blob monster just exploded. And made a fire pit.
I gotta figure out what I want to add to the level. Like, how I want to wall it off, what other adjectives do I want to add into it. I want to add each
Добре.
deal with it.
Обятни.
I was thinking about building a 10 small monster.
Okay.
No idea. I have to just like fire it when you near it.
What?
We're gonna play test not this Sunday, next Sunday, and decide if this damage is
Добре.
or if we do want to have a health system.
How are you gonna play this?
I'm gonna have to move over.
Yeah. You're gonna plug it in. You're gonna try it on the TV or?
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
I mean, our target is Xbox. I really like it on Xbox, but we'll go for Steam after that.
Seen yet? I think he means send, right?
Yeah, he's tired.
Yeah.
Um,
Or maybe he just saw a plane ticket fly away
yeah,
because he's so tired, right?
but I'm hoping to have a couple of game modes in before next Sunday. I have two in, but I want to have two more. And then I want to get the last two characters done, or the last character done as well. And I can find that. Two fucking purple. Two bright and purple. Two light. So this one. So by Skylight. Again, I wonder if this is like fucking.
So now it looks like a super bright night light.
Actually, I don't need to do that. Yeah, it'll fix itself, bro. It's trolling. I want to desaturate it a little bit.
Saturated more?
Desaturate it.
Oh. Like this reminds me of that song, you know. You need to make a blue man. Living in a blue world where everything is blue. And if he turns green, he dies. Right? No. Yeah.
Let's go lighting for
Okay, I need to rename the function from attach armor to attach equipments.
honestly, you shouldn't even be right to look at the lights.
I remember the commission that I did. Oh shit, their lighting was so terrible. Like some archivist guy made it, but the way that he did the lighting was so fucking terrible. You put a piece of metal in it, and the whole level, like the lens flares.
Dude, I think lens flares are overused like crazy.
Yeah.
I don't like majority of games do not do that. They have it there.
And most like if you like in most games, like a non-realistic lens flares would be good. Like just a small blink rather than like.
Aspects lens flares perfect, I thought. But like if I'm out in the forest running around and I don't have sunglasses on, I'm not robotic, I'm not looking through the camera.
And then you see the sun and you like a vampire.
Yeah, well, I mean that's whatever. But like, I dirt mask. Why do I have that? Like, there's nothing on my eye.
Yeah, I actually.
You have a helmet. But other than that,
Yeah, I have a problem with the over intensive lens flares. Like I remember like Serious Sam. I played it and I saw the sun and I was like, my eyes. I don't want to be like outside. I don't. I'm not outside. Why? Yeah.
I go talented lights based on. But gotta turn that down now.
Oh god damn it! I just noticed. Ah, shit. So I cannot attach the weapons the same way that I attached the armor. I forgot. Shit. Okay, rename it back to attach equipment, attach armor. Hey, Cherlik? Cherlik? The first time I said it, it sounded like Cherlik. Mmm, chairs. Mmm. Okay. He's making the whole game, Cherlik. Everything. Right now.
You'll see in a second. If I stop filling.
Yes, this is technically arena.
I mean, it's part of the end.
Well, I said technically.
You're technical.
I don't know, everybody's like theoretically for some reason. Or at least when ads around. Theoretically, it will work. I'm like, technically. The concept of a game is people kicking their asses with cartoon characters. Yeah. Damn it. Norman.
Yes, all. Stop. Alright, let's see. Good here. And I'll make everybody on that. Bam. We get non-degenerates.
Fucking degenerates.
Stop fucking saying.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus Christ. Import.
Jesus.
Panels. Alright. Place. Down. Okay. Black apple. Cool. Alright. Light. It's still too. Light. So. One that. Providing surrounds. Let's use game bullshit.
What? Like, I'm technically in your stream.
I'm in your stream.
Yeah. See?
Actually, I probably should knock this one down to 512. I really don't need that big of a light map.
So need any function.
I need to fix these things. They're real soft right now, so they're like really bad. Oh yeah, Fur Force is great, man.
I prefer SVM.
Yeah, you would. Terrorist.
Terrorist? How about terrorize?
What's up? Point on this girl. Probably not reaching something. You also
Allah Akbar. No? Okay. Yeah.
Fur Force is
Be holla, do it for love.
hold up. If I do anything while it does this, it'll crash.
Nah.
That's a problem. I don't
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can figure life after that. Alright, let's see. Let me grab that. Bam. There we go. Alright, skylight.
Oh, skylight, you shine so bright.
Stop it now. No, that's not a full net. Under there. I'm looking for that. Please start. Original one. I don't know why it's not. Alright, whatever. I need to brighten this up a little bit. Just some lights up there. Offset a little bit. I don't want to do this. You don't want shadows on these. Alright, let's get some news. Oh, really? Yeah. No. What's your question? Alright. We'll say like this.
Mystery Skulls Ghost. That's his music request. I think he like you need to entertain the guy, right? What?
What's up?
Never mind. I'm
I
joking.
want a little bit of yellow.
Sherlock asked if you're gonna stream on weekend.
Oh, maybe like I usually hang out with my wife on the weekend, but it's all right. We fun, man. They're outside.
Me? Wow.
No, he's Romanian. I'm just kidding.
Yes, I'm pretty sure you were kidding.
I wasn't. I got you to do that, bro.
Seriously?
Whatever. He's not American. That's all I got.
Yeah, nothing else is important. Fucker.
Well, bro, this is just people. Americans are not American.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you.
Some people say like sets as Italian. Where else? I don't know.
It's about lighting.
Wisconsin? Yay. Um,
Yeah, he's famous. Nope, his name is Fancy now. What up, Fancy?
yes, change the V to P and yeah. Hey, Pansy.
Fancy, man.
Yeah, like
Lighting the sucks takes forever. So like.
I shared my screen as well. I gave a link where there was a discussion where I'm a stream poacher. I'm not. Okay.
Okay, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
I said okay. I have no idea. Structure is which structure did I use here? Abilities, multi segments, anchors, mesh triangle. Am I gonna stream on weekends? I won't because my internet sucks. I can technically do it in the Hangout, like using a thing, but my internet sucks too much. Like all my friends have good internet, and I'm stuck with shit. in sort, it's not fair.
Did you Vinci or not Vinci? That is moved to
Yeah, well, Romania has one of the best internets.
yeah.
For the material rights.
I don't know what this is. Oh, and then. Oh, well, the team game. I don't want to do that yet.
Yeah, the internet's not bad here either. The problem is my internet is bad.
What do you know about using like web programs? I'm using Moto, ZBrush, and Unreal Engine 4. I need to fix the scene right here. I also need to fix this camera placement.
Yes, it's free. You have to pay if you release a game after a set amount of like 50,000 or 5,000. If you like get from the game after 4 months, in 4 months, you need to pay like 5%, I think, right? So 5%.
It's something like that. Oh, I gotta expose it.
Yeah, you need to pay like 5% afterwards. So if you make 500 bucks after you get like 5,000, you need to pay like 10 bucks. Or my math wrong. Never mind. No, he's not making another level. He's just modifying. Yeah, he's just modifying it.
The other level. I just had the that little arena thing to test out. Yeah, I did test out.
Yeah, Steam takes more. I think Steam takes like 15. So like 20% is like you get like 80%.
Oh, I exposed this.
And then after tax, you get like the leftovers.
Might be good.
So, armor and equipment.
So that's little problem. Yeah, make it look easier.
It's not gonna do anything, but yeah, it's going to jump in the fire.
Yeah, the fire.
Yeah, I said that.
Oh my god, the firebox.
Well, I guess that happens when you don't jump in the fire.
I saw.
Damn it, Norman.
All right, let's see. Check. Oh, weird.
For me, Firefox just starts lagging more so than crashing. I think if you turn off the, if you there, I think you can like make it stable if you go to preference, options, advanced, and remove use hardware acceleration when available. I think there's some issues then even. No, somebody wrote. Let's say Ferrari, Ferrari. Who's that?
I think I'm just gonna have to get a drop screen.
Just an arrow or just? Oh. Okay, Charlie. Or Jose. I need an active function.
What were you saying? I'll try with you.
Should I tell you or?
Yeah.
Okay. You click. You go to options. Okay. Advanced.
Okay.
And remove use of hardware acceleration when available.
I don't know why that's not there.
Like that technically should make it stable, but I had some issues. Like some videos were lagging. So yeah. If you have issue, if they're lagging, just turn it on when you need it.
I need to figure out what kind of barrier I can do on the outside so it's kind of run off. I could do like a force field. I just feel like, well, if I had a knife in the force field, probably fine. Or the knife in the force field would be right.
The one that you can show your parents? No? Okay.
I think I have a nice one next time too. Gotta find a picture. Have a little force field device. Find it.
Damn it.
Okay. Let's build a whole force field.
The changes to an object, should it work? So,
Sci-fi stuff.
that's not gonna work.
Oh, I guess I got that thing. I don't know. I'll think some ideas.
Hey, Donkey.
What's up, buddy?
How do you think I can like make it so I can input a skeletal mesh or a static mesh in a database?
I have no idea how you do both.
Yeah, I don't want to have like a secondary database for like weapons. Technically, it would be easier to just make a weapons.
Let's see how big this is. It's scale.
on the database. Actually, so when god damn it, fucking structures and databases. So object works. Want to know the problem? So like the database doesn't support object.
Oh, that's pretty good.
So I cannot input anything.
I made my solution and then they can't do it. It sucks.
I can just modify the code, but fuck that. I need to compile an engine. I can show you.
Oh, that's sweet.
This is just like a prototype though. Basically, we're gonna have this is basically a mobile game at the moment. We have like a dodge, like different abilities that you'll be able to equip and upgrade. It's gonna be kind of a Metroidvania, kind of with some roguelike, not fully like you. There's gonna be some aspects to roguelike, but it will not be anything close to roguelike. Yeah, this is not gonna work because I fucked up the system.
What were you trying to use? Self-designer workouts?
The good thing about the way that I'm doing the systems is basically this system. No, I'm doing it with another person, actually with two more people. One of them is Bartosz, who is a sound designer, and the other's Ad, who makes the models. I'm just the prime. I'm just a programmer. My goal in the end of the game is basically just having the game basically just be database. So like if you want to make a specific feature, like a new spell, items and stuff, you can just like plug it in the database and it should work. Like it can be reusable, it can expand, like it can make expansions pretty easily. So yeah, even like the ability system is like you can add effects, you can like add the special effects for every time you cast like a sequence of attacks, different delays for different attacks, what montage should you use, the montages, animations, the damages for every hit, the critical percentage of every hit, the range of every hit, the angle of the hit, the animation speed, the cooldown after each hit, what kind of an type should be projectile, instant, or AoE, should the target be self or target or another target. Yes, I'm doing it in blueprints. I can do it in C++, but it's like I don't think I need to do it in C++. Like I'm not doing something that heavy. I'm gonna like my next project will probably I'm gonna try to concentrate my next project to be fully C++, except like except the UI. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna make it a separate thing. Weapon. I did a mistake.
Doing mistakes, bro.
Yeah, so basically I just removed something from a structure. from enumerate, and basically the whole engine crashed. Oops. No, that's Modo.
Yeah, this is not a.
It's not Pirate.
Yeah, Moto, it's a cheap model, a cheaper price-wise model for that.
Yeah, and to be honest, I think they're doing it like they're no, it's not free. I think they're actually doing a lot of features that Autodesk is pretty stagnated. They don't really do that many features per update, while Model actually like, adds a lot of stuff every update.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that is good. Right. Want to center this on here. This back here. Or I think I also want to have shape wise. Or Alright, so anyway, what's the material? We'll do it simple ones now. One of the outlets. Yeah. Say you want yeah, that's why I want that round.
It crashed again?
Yeah.
Well, crap.
Once I get the fine.
Isn't like Kaspersky a bit like heavy? No, it's nobody's typing.
Wow. Thank you. My Firefox will on the website. So guys, I guess that's the end of my statement. Thanks for watching. I'll try to get this done. Guys, have a good night.
Bye, guys. Another person started watching my stream. So, okay, what the fuck did I fuck up? Okay, will it crash now? Okay, it didn't crash now. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. The armor should work now. It doesn't? Well, I fucked some. I fucked up something. Mm.
What's in my cabinet? Damn.
Is it the UI or did I fuck up something else? Yep, it's the UI. I fucked up the UI. Mm. Miscellaneous. Button. Yep, now it works. Again. After I fucked it up. Uh, why the fuck am I doing this? Damn, that doesn't work. Ah, seriously? It was connected to both phones. So okay, so this is fake inventory. Why did I name it fake inventory? I don't know. Ah, this looks like crab bucket. Okay. Let's make a new database code. New structure code weapons. Also, what we need to have is for now a name, texture for the icon, is a static mesh. Maybe two for the items. Yeah, material. So you can make different weapons with the same mesh but with a different material. I don't need to talk about anything else because everybody left. Maybe not, maybe me. Material. Mm, let's make one socket. Or do I even need sockets? Yeah, let's do sockets. It's gonna be a name. So let's make a database. Yes. Table and pick buttons. Yeah, like blueprints aren't that hard. Like it's just logic. Think about blueprints that you like. You don't need to worry about syntax that much. You just need to like worry about the logic. If you like figure out how to do something, it shouldn't be hard to actually make it in blueprints. Mm. Oh yeah. First need the full name. One. Right. That. Don't tell me Ed made it a skeletal mesh. God damn it. Yeah, he made it a skeletal mesh. So this is how you make a skeletal mesh from a static mesh from a skeletal mesh. Now where the fuck was sites? Weapon. create. There's no instant make skeletal mesh, make static mesh. Skeletal mesh is a. Oh, so you get the skeletal mesh, for it. Then you import it. It's gonna be like, god damn it. First I need to rename it so it doesn't interfere. Static. It's gonna be like import the skeletal. Click now. Don't generate collision. I don't need it. Combine meshes. Yes. Only. Yes. Import. And now you have a skeletal static mesh where before that was skeletal one. And now I can just input it in the database. Reason I'm streaming on YouTube and not on Twitch is, well, I don't have the internet. It's pretty slow, and I'm using YouTube's Hangout system, which is really light on the internet usage. So I can like stream without problems. Normally, the Hangout is like the streaming with Hangout is like for face cams, but this works for this as well. Unless I start playing a game, this should be good. And which socket are we using? We're using our palm weapon. Yeah, like I experimented different ways I can technically stream without using like shadow play was the closest thing that worked, but it stopped after a minute because my internet failed at that point. Okay, miscellaneous. Inventory. Make new. Yeah, it's pretty annoying because like 20 kilometers away, like the internet for the same price I pay, like they have um, optic fiber, which like gives them like 10, 15 times more internet than me. My upload also is like terrible because even though I'm supposed to upload like with probably a meg. I'm uploading with less than a half. Folders. No. I technically have a optic internet, but well, this for the same costs that my friends are paying, I get like four times. I'm basically gonna pay for the same internet that I'm having at the moment, but it's gonna be optics for the same price I'm gonna pay it. Like even though my friends pay the same price as me, and they get like super fast internet. Like at the moment, I'm paying like 10, 10 12 euros for my internet. For actually getting a good internet, I would have to like pay 30 euros, like almost three times the cost. Okay. What? Mm-hmm. Picture and I. Okay, that was actually a strange reason. Mm, what? Button and text that are pushed in text. Which one is it? The last one, so four. I mean five. No! Well, shit. Yeah, like I actually haven't done any streaming. I probably should do because like loading, loading screens and stuff is nice in there. I'm not sure good would be how good it will be on mobile though, like loading different levels. Yep. Oh yeah, I don't have a helmet. I have boots. Okay, I did the UI work in here. Now let's do the helmet as well. Helmet button on click. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So helmet, shoulders, arm guards, spikes, feet. Oops. Um, where's the weapon button? Okay, get weapon image. Select it here. This needs to be for the weapon database. Refresh so it shows the new stuff. Select texture again. I need to go to the character now. Layer. Here, function called attach weapon. Yeah, I'm using his VN, and the way that I'm working with other people is basically I don't like I'm not we're not designing the level at the moment, and I probably won't be the person who's gonna like design it. Like actually working on the same level at once, I'm not sure how to do it. How I would do that. Like your idea, the way that you're doing it probably is the best idea. Like I like several people asked Epic, and there wasn't really an answer in that case. I made a few touch. No idea. Actions and removing. Um, a weapon piece. And set the barrel top as a static mesh. Friends. Remove weapon. I don't need the ID for the removed weapon. Weapon piece. Oh damn it. Uh, the weapon piece is valid. We destroy the components. There. Oh yeah, I can't use. Okay, that was stupid. I need to use a static mesh component, not a yeah. And now this destroy component, we call it. And we set the components. So attach weapon. Just copy this part. Set this to weapon database. We remove weapon. And we set the skill mesh. We add a skill static mesh. And we set it. And break this. The mesh in here. Now we need to set the material. Now we need to attach it. Okay. And we need to attach it. Attach. we have skeletal mesh, and we need to input the socket and set snap it, including scale. And now we need to set the weapon piece value as physical mesh, static mesh, I mean. Now let's do this. Attach weapon. Let's remove the weapon. You don't need it. Technically. And now he's killing with nothing. I probably should add sounds. Actually, I'm probably gonna add it for the effects. Because like the weapon effects. Now inventory, weapon, sight. Okay. We can now attach weapons as well. Procedurally. So I can like, if I wish, I can go here, databases, weapon, and we're gonna make the guy hit people with a box. Q. Let's call it box ink. We're gonna put the card texture, use the 1 meter cube, and gonna use light plus space. And attach the same socket dot weapon. Now inventory and boxing. Okay, we can add boxes for stuff. Like I'm probably gonna expand it for like dual wielding weapons. But for now I'm gonna just have it for one weapon. The way that I've set up the system, I should be able to like make a axed helmet. Basically, have an axe attached to a helmet and make the character just hit with like headbanging, if I wish for. Hmm. Scale, texture. Okay. I now need to expand the system to actually give stats. But first, I actually need to implement the stats. Uh, where should we store it though? Should it be in the character itself? I think I need to inform the server. All the characters. Hmm. Like this game's gonna be also like we're gonna try and make it multiplayer as well. So also need to think out how to do the stuff because I still haven't bought the like I have an Android phone, so I need to like get Google Play so I can use Google Play subsystem because Google Play doesn't have like a easily accessible um, subsystem like servers like Steam, where you can like use a developer ID. Like Steam has a developer ID that you can instantly use. You just need to register it, and you can just input the app ID and like instantly be able to test out games. Hmm. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, stats. Now the first stuff I need to do are And weapon damage. Weapon range. No damage. Weapon speed. Hmm. I need to like heal to max heal. It's stuff that I probably should have implemented. Actually, I have those. I have a stat system. What? Uh, yeah, all these stuff needs to go. Edit stat system. Hmm. Yeah, can't really do that. Except if I make a new damage type. Hmm. Never mind. So, damage. Need weapon range. Damage weapon range. Need armor. I'm gonna. All these integers on the bottom I'm gonna set them up because like I need to update some other stuff here. The max bonus stuff, yeah. Okay. Not exactly. There's some issues with it. I'm gonna work on it still. Like it still like snatches some terrain sometimes. I could make it like just bounce a bit, but it's really noticeable sometimes. Yeah, like the hovering on a terrain it works, but if you actually want to go on angles that are hard, you won't be able to. Like like high angles, you get stuck sometimes because like the velocity doesn't follow the terrain. I need to like set it up so like I can modify the velocity based on terrain. So let's just make the weapons for now. Give stats. Mm, Oh, now Do I have to? No, why? Ah, damn. Unknown culprit. God, fuck. Damn it. Uh, work now. Work. Yeah. Fucking hell. This one of the traits. I don't use it anymore. So, bye. Bye. Here, paper, bowing angles, and multicasting the. You know, so I need to fix the roaming thingy and slots. This is kind of a cheating way. Uh, I did doubt any game UI. Okay, what the fuck did I fuck up in the game UI? Probably some reference. Fucker just removed the stuff here. Wow. Text. Yeah. This is just local. Default visibility for the inventory, which I call take. I should probably rename it. Now static yes, and the button that will not be named. Was a failed experiment. Going. Oh, yeah. Now I remember what that is. Seems like the aiming works. Yeah. Okay, so my minimap isn't fixed. Shit. Oh, I didn't connect that part. Oh yeah, I forgot that. Minimap. Uh, contains give widget container removed from parent. That's the minimap. Actually, it should work. Need to do this. This contains. Oh, that doesn't make sense. If it's contained here, the actor and container is contained in the list that I have here. It's contained. This doesn't make sense. This should. Yeah, this just doesn't work correctly. And like this. Hmm. That seems to work. Hmm. Let's activate the bot. Enable the bot. Hmm. I'm doing a lot of blueprints. I have like stat systems for. I have different systems for stats, for the abilities. So my character is technically several blueprints, but like I can reuse the segments for like the enemies. If I like the stat system is reused on the enemies as well. So like I can just set the armor there and like the same system that I'm using for the character will be applied to the enemies. The minimap's giving me issues. I can technically cheat it and make the stuff have a check if the stuff actually exists or not. But that's kind of cheating because I'm gonna like use resources. Well, I can use the blueprints for the character. The thing is, I would prefer not to. Like, I want some of the systems for the character to like stay at the character. I don't want them to use the for for example, actually, like I don't want them to have to the ability to use the abilities like I have here. The stuff that are in the character is the effect system, which is basically just like to hold information for effects like burning, healing over time, and stuff. The stat system is for like health and armor and stuff. But like I don't want them to have like this. I don't want them to have sounds, their own sounds. The character. I want to control that. I don't want them to have a separate camera. I don't want them to calculate auto aiming because I'm gonna like do do the aiming in the AI itself. Like I don't want the attach and remove armor because like not all the characters gonna have like armors. Yeah, or using them like this one of the abilities. How it says up, how it does the outwing, sets the target here, and it's here's it, here it does the aiming. All the stats and effects are coming in here. I have a do once so it doesn't so the effect doesn't play once or twice. If there isn't I have here so it doesn't check for the target for a different target. And I basically spawn the effect here, which the effect can be just a visual effect or even explosion or stuff or other stuff. The montage, like the combos that the character is doing is movement. Yeah, here the attack. So basically, I have in here. Yeah, this is not for the faint of heart. Yeah, basically, I have a montage play which have like I just change. I play the montage here based on the section name, the montage number. So like I get the montage number, which damn, which the montage number is from here, like montage progress. Like for every, I have the montage progress for every ability. So this is normal attack, first attack, second attack, third attack, and even for like the spell, the blink, the dodge. So basically, I just increase the number and using loop in range, like I get the maximum number of montages that I have here based on the combo animes, and I just loop in range. this macro that I did so like I can do this. Basically, just inputs the value. It adds a value, and it outputs the if it's more or equal to the maximum value, it goes to 0. If not, it goes back. It increases the value. Yeah, like I'm trying to make it as modular as I can. Like basically, if a person should be able to like just make the like make abilities and armors with just using the database. I'm gonna use it for my own. So this one's for mobile. I'm gonna like reuse these systems for a PC version of where basically the whole thing is rather than like collecting armors and stuff. I might actually add armors as well, or maybe attach the abilities, the effects with armors. But basically, we have like the whole progression would not be armors and stuff. It would be more. It would be the effects like on hit. If someone like on hit, there's a chance you to summon a lightning that hits that point after half a second. Like when you hit like when you crit with a specific ability, you heal the target. Like in some cases, like if it's a healing ability, like having a secondary heal would help. But if it's like you know that's kind of a like I'm trying to make a complex effect system as well. Mm, mm. Like this is basically the debug for how this thing looks like. If I click debug, yeah, you can make a live skill. We can make it different stuff. So here is how the weapon hits the angle of the weapon swing. Like this is predetermined from the database. Like I can just set the angle of this to be bigger. And like the third attack does a 360. This is basically how I do the attacks. I just make a sphere and just get the angles and filter it. The angles here are were kind of annoying to get because Unreal has some the rotations in Unreal are kind of well not like they're not the best for like they have issues. So I need to the way that I make it is basically I give the angle. I get the basic rotation of the character. I divide it by the angle that I want. I divide the Q and add Q rotations here, so I can like have on the left side of the character and the right side of the character. Afterwards, I do this. I get like the character's rotation, and I use a convert transform to relative. So I input the character's rotation to the relative, and I input the off like the offset rotation from basing it from the actor and the what was this here like the location of the character. So the target the actor to the actor. Then I get the rotation and transform that rotation, and based on that I get the rotation. These rotations are the ones that I base it's kind of complex. Like here's the rotation base, like this rotation, the rotation of the things based on the character, and these are the rotations of the angles that can be in or out. Yeah, like this angle filtering is kind of annoying, but though, like beforehand, I used cube boxes. Basically, you could technically do something similar with cube spheres. Like you can't really set them correctly, but like you can just have cube spheres and just like get the actors in one sphere and get the actors in the second sphere. The cube of if uh like if an actor is in both of the spheres, you filter it. Like you don't add it to the array of damaging. This is the first, but like this was the initial way that I did the angle filtering, but that wasn't precise enough, and I switched to this one. So you get the actor location, your actor location. You get the targets that I get the targets using the sphere overlap actor. I get the actors, and I get the locations. I get the actor location. I use X vector to get the rotation of the character based on like the target based on the character. Using the convert transform to relative using the actor's location. So this will basically turn this thing to an angle, a local angle to the character. So if the character is rotated 90 degrees and the target's on 45 degrees, it's going to be minus 45. And here the character is going like these transform the angle from the angles that I input. So basically I just get the angles and then I just check the angles from here, the yaws. Then I check if both of them is if both of them are correct. You can damage them. Like at the moment, I can even apply effects. The effects are basically just yeah. Oh, attacker. Yeah, like this took a bit of figuring out how to transform the angle because like the angles that Unreal will give are non-normalized. Even if you normalize them, the normalized values are not always correct. I use this reference. I don't use this. I don't use this. Okay, let's say I use this. I don't use span anymore, but fuck it. What flash progress I needed, also distance. I use it. Yes, I use it. What's the distance number? I use this. Target. I probably use this. And new bar for what? It's for whose angle? Okay. Yeah, like to be honest, like most of this thing, like it wasn't complex when I like when I started thinking about it, it wasn't complex, but I like you don't think about how complex you need to do it. You just like build upon it. It's a bad idea to think what you need to do for like everything you need to do because like you like it stacks up. Like just start something, you build upon it. You just do the basics and then you build upon it. You don't make the whole list of stuff you need to do. You just make the basics, and then you expand the list. You don't. Yeah, I need to add the texture here. Yeah, I think I might stop for now. I'm kind of hungry and probably gonna do something else for a bit. Well, I'll be going. So bye. What about your project? I can like wait for a bit. Hello.